Hi, this is Mike with Super Bee, and today I'm here to introduce you to one of Super Bee's new torque wrenches. Imagine you're on a bike ride and your saddle height just doesn't feel right. You want to adjust it, but you're afraid of either damaging your seat post or your frame by over-torquing it. With that, Super Bee's designed the TB-TW55. The TB-TW55 comes with a variety of bits, an extender, and then here's the real genius. These are torque bits. These are preset bits with a 4, 5, and 6 Newton meter torque setting. To operate this torque wrench, first you're going to want to pull out your wrench. And the first thing you'll notice is that this is a really substantial tool. Don't be fooled by its small size. It's definitely not a toy. Next, we're going to look at the bolt torque rating. In this case, the maximum is 5 Newton meters. Okay, I'm going to pick my 5 Newton meter bit and attach it to the wrench. We now have a 5 Newton meter max torque wrench. Next, we're going to look at the bolt size, 4. And now we're ready to go. As you tighten, once you hit the desired torque rating, your tool will still spin, but your bit at the end will stop because you've reached the desired maximum torque. So if you're just going out for a local ride or you're going to ride PBP this year, this is a great torque wrench. Just fold it, stick it in your pocket, go ride.